Hello students, I am Subhashish. Previously, you have learned about types of probability approaches. Today, in this part, we are going to see the applications of probability in our daily life. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand how probability is used in daily life situations. Develop a comprehensive understanding of the wide-ranging applications of probability in various real-world scenarios. Understand the role of probability in managing uncertainties, making predictions, and optimizing outcomes in diverse fields. Keywords from this lesson are probability, applications, weather forecasting, insurance, exit poll, investment planning. Let us see how probability is used in real life. Weather forecasting. Meteorologists use probability models to predict weather conditions. They calculate the likelihood of rain, snow, or other weather events based on historical data and current atmospheric conditions. Insurance and risk management. Insurance companies use probability to assess risk and determine insurance premiums. They analyze historical data and calculate the probability of certain events, such as accidents or property damage, occurring to set appropriate coverage rates. Gaming and gambling. Probability is fundamental in games of chance and gambling. Casinos and game designers use probability to determine the odds of winning. Financial planning and investing. Probability is used in financial planning and investing decisions. Investors analyze the probability of certain financial outcomes to make informed choices and manage risks. Traffic engineering. Traffic engineers use probability models to predict traffic flow, analyze congestion, and optimize traffic signal timings. Exit poll. It is a survey conducted with voters after casting their votes. It is used to predict the likely outcome of an election before the official results are declared. Let us see some real life examples. Example: in a city, the probability of temperature being 25 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius during summer is 0.4. What is the probability of the temperature being either below 25 degrees or above 30 degrees Celsius. Solution: given the probability of temperature between 25 degrees and 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 0.4, that is equal to P of A. Let P of A dash is the probability of temperature being either below 25 degrees and above 30 degrees Celsius. We know that the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. That is, P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1. So, P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. P of A dash is equal to 1 minus 0.4. After subtracting, we get P of A dash is equal to 0.6. The probability of temperature being either below 25 degrees and above 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 0.6. Let's try another example. Example 2. A tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered before a tire needed to be replaced. The table shows the result of 1000 cases. What is the probability that it will last more than 10,000 kilometers? Solution: given the total number of trials or cases is equal to 1000. The probability that it will last more than 10,000 kilometer is equal to, from the table we can get 300 plus 470 is equal to 770. P of A is equal to tire lasting more than 10,000 km by total number of trials or cases. P of A is equal to 770 by 1000. By simplifying, we get P of A is equal to 0.77. Let's try another example. Example 3. Ramu has conducted a taste test of 150 people that reveals 95 people prefer strawberries and the remaining prefer blueberries. Find the empirical probability of a person preferring strawberries over blueberries. Solution: given total test is equal to 150. Person prefer strawberries is equal to 95. Let P of A is equal to person preferring strawberries over blueberries. P of A is equal to number of events occurred by total number of tests. That is, P of A is equal to 95 divided by 150. By solving, we get 0.633. Students, let us summarize what we have learned. Probability is the fundamental concept used in various real-life applications to predict outcomes, assess risk, and make informed decisions. Meteorologists use probability models to predict weather conditions like rain, snow, or storms based on historical data and current atmospheric conditions. Insurance companies use probability to assess risk and determine insurance premiums. Traffic engineers use probability models to predict traffic flow, analyze congestion, and optimize traffic signal timings. Thanks for watching.